Hello guys, welcome back. In this video tutorial, we will learn how to transpose data from column to rows. Let us begin. In first step, select the data that you want to switch. Right click, copy, select the cell for your row, right click, paste special. Tick transpose feature, OK. The data that presented in column B has been switched into row. Now let us try with multiple columns. This time we will try with shortcuts. Select your area, Ctrl C, mark the cell, press Alt ES, again transpose. OK. All the data from the columns switched into rows. Now if we want to vice versa, switch from row to columns, repeat the same procedure as we did. Select the data from rows, Ctrl C, Alt ES, transpose. OK, the data switched back to present in columns. Thanks for watching. I hope you found this video to be helpful. For more daily tips and tricks, subscribe us and don't forget to like the video.